XRP is attempting to stabilize after the recent bearish pressure, but tonight the Infinity agent is still refusing to issue a full buy signal. The current live reading remains hold. What makes this setup interesting is that the market is beginning to show early bullish behavior internally, even while the larger regime structure still points bearish. Right now, the agent is showing a 4MA bullish condition, while the linear regression direction remains falling. That disagreement is important because it tells us momentum is improving short term, but the larger directional structure has not officially reversed yet. The market is currently sitting near cycle point 6, which historically has acted as an important transition zone in this framework. The agent recognizes that XRP is inside an active reversal window, but the learning engine still classifies the environment as a weak edge setup overall. This is why the signal remains hold instead of buy. The stochastic readings are beginning to improve as well. The 4-hour stochastic has crossed bullish, and the daily stochastic is continuing to recover higher. That usually signals improving short-term momentum, especially after a corrective phase. However, the bigger issue is the falling linear regression slope. The agent is essentially saying, yes, momentum is improving, but the larger trend has not confirmed. That is why the system is still defensive despite the strong confidence reading. One thing I want viewers to notice is the learning engine itself. The agent now tracks historical trade behavior from prior cycle interactions and compares current setups against those previous conditions. Tonight's table shows a global learning accuracy of roughly 53%, but the current bucket reading is higher at around 66%, meaning this specific type of setup has historically performed better than average. That does not guarantee upside, but it does tell us the market may be approaching an important transition phase rather than continuing pure downside momentum. The projected bear cross zone shown ahead on the chart is also extremely important. If XRP fails to continue upward before that projected crossover area activates, the agent may interpret the move as a temporary relief rally instead of a true reversal. In simple terms, the market is trying to turn bullish, but the larger trend still has not fully agreed yet. From a positioning standpoint, the agent remains defensive and continues targeting stablecoin exposure rather than aggressive XRP accumulation. Current posture, hold. Bias, cautiously bearish with improving bullish momentum underneath the surface. What would invalidate the bearish structure? A continued upward move combined with the linear regression direction flattening and turning upward, while the 4MA bullish structure remains intact. If that happens, the agent could transition from hold into a true buy environment. Until then, the system is treating this as a developing setup, not a confirmed reversal. This is not trading advice. Always do your own research. The Infinity Signal, trading the future.